Hi, I suck at knee hockey.
And I'm good at knee hockey.
Screw you. Screw you, man. Screw you.
Well, welcome back to the next video.
Yeah, welcome back, guys, to game 2 of this doubleheader, I guess you could say. Tonight, the Vegas Golden Knights take on the Calgary Flames. He is the Flames. I am the Knights. You want to get straight into it?
Yeah, I'm the Flames.
I'm gonna suck anyways. So.
I'm the Flames. I'm gonna be some random their captain.
Yeah.
I'll be their goalie.
Okay. I'll be let's see. I'll be. Didn't James Neal play for them? I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nah, I'm good. I'll be Ryan Reeves.
Okay.
Former Penguin. One of the best fighters in the league. What is he?
Oh man.
Go save.
I gotta have it open.
Hockey 1, Hockey 2, Hockey 3. Of course, I had to get the signature, the foot save in there. Hockey 1, Hockey 2, Hockey 3. This has to have the most puck drops of any other game we've done so far.
Oh my god.
Did that not go in?
No, it went right straight in the kitchen, man.
Hockey 2, Hockey 3. Got it.
Okay.
My puck. Hey, yo!
Oh my god.
Who?
Would have been so bad. Oh, I could have had the signature.
Oh, the signature backhand. Oh,
you're freaking dumb foot, man.
Ah, the golden foot. Hockey 1, Hockey 2.
Oh, that did not go in. Let's go.
That did not go in. Save.
Oh my god, I'm so happy.
Hockey 2, Hockey 3.
Oh my god.
The golden leg. The golden
leg is always so good, man.
Hockey 1, Hockey 2, Hockey 3. Save! No goal! No goal! No goal! You like that? How do you like that? That was the worst shot in the world.
Still in play. Still in play.
Still in play. Oh! Save!
No! Man, this is gonna be a long game.
Huggy, huggy. Okay. Save! Up the.
Oh,
it's back there. I saw Sing 2 yesterday. It was okay.
Sing 2?
Yeah, Sing 2. It wasn't bad, to be honest. The first one is pretty good. The second one was just as good. That didn't go in. That was so close to going in, though. Poke check. Ah! What a save! Okay, 1, 2, 3. This is going to be a long game. Of that.
He'll try to.
I'll try to, Hockey 1. Okay, that was horrible. Whatever. Oh, golden foot! Hockey 1, Hockey 2, Hockey 3. Imagine if that went in.
Imagine that went in. Michael.
Got it. Ah, shoot. Ah! My stick went out. The golden foot! Of course, the golden foot.
Like. Imagine that went in.
Dude, imagine that went in again.
I always try to, like, signature that. You're always so close, man.
I know, right? But then I don't get it in because of a horrible shot. Like, dude, when I play, like, actual hockey, like, when I go outside and I play actual hockey with my friends, my shot
You play hockey?
No, I don't play hockey, but, like, scrimmage hockey, kind of.
Yeah.
Same. I'm okay at shooting, but I'm not the best. I'm not the best at goalie either. But in knee hockey, I'm good at goalie. I'm bad at shooting.
Yeah.
And I'm good at this.
My butt shot, man.
Actually, no, like this. Yeah, there we go. The signature Selly. Just. And then.
Now, JJ has a good celebration.
0-0 still. No, 1-0 actually. Save! What?
That's a big game.
You got it. I got it. Still got it. Oh, poke check.
Man, I had that.
Good. Stone play. Stone play. Ooh, good save. He was trying to flip that up, like, dude. I was like,
Stone play.
it's like a baby. Ooh.
Yes, my stick, man. My stick is the savior of the Lord, man.
Yes, it is, dude.
My stick is Jesus.
Ooh, what a save.
Bro, my stick is Jesus.
Hey.
Tapping sticks. Tapping sticks.
Shot, near goal.
Ooh, what a save! Still in play. Ooh. Oh, no, does that go in?
No.
That didn't go in.
No.
How? How did it not go in? How did it not go in?
Grandma, you're in front of the camera.
It's okay.
Sorry.
Let her go.
Sorry, guys. Grandma.
It's alright. Just let her go. I'm a nice. Got it. Oh!
Oh my God!
How did I go in there?
God,
I have like an omega shot. Like every time I shoot it, it goes somewhere. That's not the.
That hit the
crossbar!
That hit the.
That hit the crossbar, dude.
Oh my God, that's so. Oh.
Save. That was such a. That was such a.
Went in it. Stone play.
Stone play. Stone play. Got it. Hey, yep.
It'd been 5 seconds if you had it.
Ah! Shoot. Save off the stick! Off the stick! Off the thing!
Throw it in.
No goal!
Exactly
No
right.
goal! No
Where's
goal!
that at?
Save! It's on the right. It's on
Oh,
the
that
Goes
way.
to the replay! Goes to the replay! We'll be right back!
We'll be right back.
Off the thing!
Throw it in.
No goal!
Exactly
No
right.
goal!
Where's
No goal!
that at?
Save! It's on the right. It's on
Oh,
the replay.
that way.
Goes to
Okay, here we are, folks. Back with
Dude,
We're back.
it went off the crossbar.
It
That
went off
was
the
not
crossbar,
in.
man.
Remains 2-0. This is gonna be one of the longest videos I've ever put out. Oh my God!
hit my
How?
leg, man.
You're a better saver than me, probably. I'm the best saver in the league.
I know.
The league of two.
You know you let way more goals in than I did.
I know, yeah. My honest opinion, I think you're the better saver.
I don't know.
Imagine!
Imagine, man.
How? How did that
Yeah.
not go in? How did that not go in? That was the best shot I've ever taken, and you saved it with your stinking hand. Hi, Andy.
Oh, man.
Andy's in
Yeah.
front of the camera. Got it. Ooh. How? No freaking way, dude. I went flying. Going backhand. Save.
Oh, man.
Got it.
You were doing it. You were cheating, man. You were doing it.
Hey, I got it.
Oh, man.
What a save! Did it 2 times.
Man.
I hate this sport so
You just
much.
went like.
Like, it went through.
Hey,
I don't even care at this point.
Go!
I hate knee hockey so much.
I love knee hockey, man.
Because you win all the time.
Well, wait.
I'm done.
That mean the Flames won?
Ah.
The Flames have won. Oh, no, he's back.
I don't care. I hate this sport, I'm still gonna score 1 goal at least. Let me score a goal. Save. Ooh, good save. Oh, almost went for the golden foot. Golden foot again.
Get the whole net open, man. Oh.
The golden foot prevails again.
I can't like get it up too high.
No way! You had a wide open net. I was gonna score on you. Save out the golden knee! The golden knee! Dude, how are you so good at taking shots? Like, seriously. The finger!
See, the best saver in the league right now.
How? How did I save that? People, tell me how. How did I save that?
Best goal in the league, man.
That went off the stick, dude.
Oh my god.
Dude, what if the ball hits me in the eye again?
That'd be funny.
For the over 60 people that watched the last knee hockey video, you remember that guy hit in the eye.
Well, you don't know that.
Golden foot. The golden foot! Oh, this is getting intense. Okay, one second. That's shit. Alright, no goal. No goal.
Shot, man.
No goal. I got penalty shot.
Oh! Yes, man, yes.
That almost went in, like seriously. No goal. Save with the foot. Up the foot, still in play.
Oh my, it knocked the phone down.
What is it? That's an extra 5 bucks.
Oh my god,
that
man. Hit the box.
Hit the box and then it hit the fucking phone. Oh, the phone! Golden foot!
It wasn't. The only goals I scored have been backhand shots.
I know, dude. Yeah, keep using that. Like, you're so good with the backhand, and me with the backhand, can't do shit.
You are like the best saver.
I know, dude. But in regular hockey, I couldn't save crap. Save the golden chest! Still in play. No, it was wide open over there.